hopeful that I have found a solution to the crashing Outlook thing. Here is the web page that I sent you, the link in Microsoft, and I'm going to walk you through how to do this, since if you're not used to using a Mac and going into Keychain, it can be a little bit intimidating. So you're basically going to use step 1, step 3, and step 4, but to do any of that, we need to open Keychain Access. So you can do that by either going to your Launchpad, finding your other folder right here, and clicking on the keys. The other way to do that is my favorite way, which is I hit Command Spacebar, and it brings up Spotlight Search, and I just start typing Keychain Access, and when I see what I want, I hit Enter. So you get a power tip built in to the video. So then we want to do 2 things, or 3 things. We're basically going to look for the string ADAL, Exchange, and Office. And this is a weird mess of stuff that I don't want to touch unless I know exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm going to type in ADAL, return, and I've already done this once, so mine's going to be cleaned up. But what would happen is, let me try the next one, which is Exchange. If I can spell, Exchange. Yeah, and I've already done mine, so you're not going to see them pop up. But basically, you're going to get a list that looks like this. You're just going to have stuff in it. So what's going to happen when you type in ADAL is you're going to find a list of keys in the keychain list. You're going to just click them one by one, and you're just going to hit delete, and then you're going to delete those things. I'm not going to hit delete because I have no idea what I just selected. I'm going to hit cancel, but you're going to hit delete, and you're going to repeat that 3 times. You're going to search for ADAL, then you're going to search for Exchange, then you're going to search for Office, delete all of those things, and then this says to just relaunch Outlook and everything will be fine. I never really believe that, so I would actually go ahead and do a full restart on your Mac, and mine hasn't crashed since, and I tried it this morning, so hopefully we solved it. Good luck.